Greetings, everyone. Well, guess what? I got my bookcases done, and yeah, I'm so thrilled. This is what they look like. Da-da-da-da-da. There you go, all the way up there. Woo. Big, tall bookcases. That's what I wanted. So my husband and I did the work, and that's what we've been busy with for 3.5 weeks trying to do this. And I helped him, and I even did all the painting. So this channel's about grief. What have you guys been up to? Tell me how you are doing. How are you handling the process of grief? Is everybody okay? What's going on today? I'd love to hear back from you. I hope you guys are having a great journey through grief, right? Great? No, it's not great, because grief sucks. And sometimes grief is just messy. That's just the way it goes. So we can grieve, and when we're doing projects like this, and many of us do, that's why we change a lot of things in our home when we lose someone, especially a spouse. We tend to change, and we tend to do a lot of decor. Haven't lost anyone in the last probably 2 years, thank God. I have a big family, so we seem to go in groups of 3. But thank you, God, we haven't had anybody for a while. But I still want to know, what are you guys up to? What are you doing? Are you building any new projects? What are you doing to move you through grief? Sometimes a project helps. So I hope you like my videos. I hope you're learning something. Leave a comment below and let me know what you're up to. Let me know how your journey's going. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.